Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Command Prompt now. Make sure you pick Administrator if files require elevated permissions. Change directory with CD to the parent folder or type the drive letter and colon to switch drives, and run dir to confirm you're in the right place. Once done, choose your search scope, single folder, whole drive, or entire system, and decide on a file name pattern or extension, because precise scope reduces time and noisy results. You now execute targeted commands. For a quick file name or extension search, run dir /s/b*, txt, or asterisk. Log to list full paths recursively. Note that /s searches subfolders and /b gives clean paths. If you need executables or path-based matches, use where /rc \folder pattern. For complex filtering, dates, sizes, or regex, switch to PowerShell, and you finish by redirecting output to a file using results. txt so you can review matches later, use to append. Then verify file ownership and permissions. If expected files don't appear, rerun Command Prompt as administrator or adjust ACLs. If commands return no hits, make sure you used quotes for paths with spaces, specified correct extensions, and checked hidden or system attributes with a trib. One key troubleshooting tip. When results are inconsistent, rerun the same command from the parent drive root to eliminate scope errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.